How to turn on away messages. If you want to automatically let customers know you're unavailable, this video will show you how to turn on away messages in Meta Business Suite. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign in to your Meta account. Now, click on Inbox from the left side menu. Next, click on the Automations icon. Select Away Message from the available automation options. Now, customize your away message and choose the schedule for when it should be sent. You can also select whether to send the away message on your Facebook page, Instagram account, or both. Once you're done, click on Save Changes or Turn On to enable the away message. Your business account will now automatically send your away message whenever someone contacts you during the scheduled time.
That's how you can turn on away messages in Meta Business Suite. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.